MukbangMermaid.
How are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing swell. I hope you're doing better than a beluga, humpback, and killer whale. Because they're going extinct. Anywho, babs, today on the menu, I made some items that were just hanging out in the fridge. I had a can of chicken, I had half an onion, and some rice. I put it all together, and this is what I came up with. Chicken and rice. Take a look. Come here. Hey, Rebel. I said, come here. Take a look. Second, there's something on it, and I don't know what that is because I didn't put any black pepper in it. What is that? I don't know. Let me take my hat off at the table. It's not very polite. Alright, brothers. Today I will be eating, and I'll also be giving you 3 facts that could save your life. Okay? 3 facts that could save your life. First, let's say our prayer. Put your hands, fins, paws, feet, whatever you got, just put them together. Dear God, I love you. I love you oh so much. God, I want to thank you for providing me with this chicken and rice. And thank you for always being so nice. I should have got a cup of seawater with ice. I keep it simple, God, with a little salt, not too much spice. I can't really do spiciness on my meals. Anywho, God, I love you. Amen. Alright, brothers, let's get into it. Look at this. Now, this literally looks delicious. Rebels, would you like a bite? I'd like to give you the first bite, Rebel. It's got an onion ring on it for you. Don't be shy, come on. Take it, the rice is falling everywhere. Take it, the rice is falling everywhere. Whatever. Oh, and before I forget, if you would, please like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, and hit the join button below to be a part of the famous MukbangMermaid squad. Yeah! Also, if you're wondering about the glasses, last week I was doing some welding and a few chunks of metal got in my eye. So I gotta wear these for a few more days, but my vision's getting a lot better. Alright. That's delicious! I mean, not like I expected anything less. I'm a great chef. Any rebels, okay. The first fact that could save your life. Have you ever been in a fight? Have you ever gone to a bar? I've never been to a bar, but this is only what I've heard. Have you ever been to a bar and got into a bar fight or a brawl? chopped. Ugh. Anywho, if you get stabbed with a sharp object, do not take it out of your body. Do you hear me? Do not remove a sharp object out of your body. Because if you do, it will make you bleed more. And you could die. And we don't want you to die. So, tip number 1. If you get stabbed with a sharp object, leave it in your body until you get to the hospital, okay? So good. Okay, Rebels. Tip number 2. Tip number 2. If you need to escape from a car, you need to break the corner of the car, okay? The corner of the car window. Break it. That's the weakest part of the window, in the corner. My word, this is delicious. The rice is so crunchy and hard. Maybe I should have boiled it a little longer. How do you prepare your rice, Bubs? And they have turned green. Do not eat them. Do not eat green potatoes, okay? Now, contrary to popular belief of Mr. Seuss, yeah, you know that doctor, Dr. Seuss? Does anyone know what he's the doctor of? What field was he in as medicine? Anywho, he ate those green eggs and those green pieces of ham. Yeah, okay, that's fine. But do not eat green potatoes. I'm telling you, Bebbles. They are considered toxic. If your potatoes have turned green, get rid of them. And I mean now. it.